Here's my Vornado fan in action, and it's blowing a fair amount, and you can hear how quiet it is. It has a remote control, and you can turn the oscillating off, you can turn the fan on and off, and then you can control your speeds. And I'll raise it up for just a second on speed. And that's the highest speed, and it's blowing papers around in my room. I'm lowering it back down. That's the setting I had it at before. One thing I intentionally did was, you can see it sucks so hard, it sucks dust out of the air, and it sticks to the back of it. So I intentionally didn't dust it off for several days. But you can see it's really powerful. Another cool feature about this is that one thing that's neat is magnetic remote control. It stays on the top if you don't want to take it with you. And then it has a night light, which is kind of cool. But this is a serious piece of equipment, and it's super quiet when it's running in its own mode. All you're hearing is the sound of the fan blowing. And I'll notch it down a little bit more. My dogs like it. Nearly silent. Anyway, I think this thing is worth every penny, and I let it run 24/7, just like I do a ceiling fan. And my dogs like it. So give it a try. You'll like it. Cheers.
So I want to show you the oscillation that this fan can do. Most fans go about 90 degrees, so 45 degrees in either direction from starting point. And this fan can do that, but it also has a setting that you can change it to where it goes 180 degrees, which covers the entire room. So I put these pink Post-its on the center part so you can keep track of it. And you can see just how far it is moving.